Karakuri is a mechanism that uses mechanical gadgets in order to reduce waste and improve ergonomics. This is low-cost automation using mechanisms that are based in gravity, springs, magnets, link levers, gears, etc. The purpose is to foster a culture of simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Why choose Karakuri? First, it improves operators' creativity, prepares workers to create better polka yokes and jigs. Second, it decreases motion and improves ergonomics. And third, no CE certification needed. Simple mechanisms allows for autonomous improvement. But how does it work? These devices are placed to assist with specific tasks, such as lifting, transferring, or positioning materials or components. Here is an example of a system that uses a lift for elevating. In summary, Karakuri devices are employed to eliminate or minimize MRI. It encourages active participation from frontline workers in the design, implementation, and improvement of these devices.